All right, we are going to check your hearing today. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put these headphones on you, and then whenever you hear a sound, I want you to raise your arm in the air, even
Sounds
if it's
good.
really quiet or anything. All right, I'm going to have you turn your chair around to a little angle so you can see. Perfect. And then right. Feel right. Okay, that's fine. All right. Good job. All right, you are all done. Good job.